Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you are all having an amazing day. Today's a little bit red, or not a little bit, it's actually a lot red. Now this video is primarily going to be about Tesla. We're going to talk about why it's down so much, what you should do, and how you should plan your trade. Now before we get into this video guys, I'd just like to remind you to like it, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see any specific symbol, ticker, whatever stock you want to see, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Now, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about Tesla. So, if you're watching Tesla right now, it has dipped at one time over $50. It hit lows of $58.88. Now, Tesla, it hit highs of, what was it, $654, and it has just came screaming down, and we're hovering back over this $600 level. And like I said, at one time, we did hit $589, $590. Now guys, look where it's bouncing. It bounced at this previous support, and also something I want to see is it hold above this. Look, as I'm talking right now guys, we're heading back down to the support. So if you're bullish on Tesla, this 603 mark is a good dip buy, okay? If you want to get in Tesla and you're watching this video, this 603 is a good dip buy. Now we did hit lower than that, so since we have this wick right here, I'm going to give it that much room, okay? If I'm planning this trade out, I'm going to have my stop loss at 586 just because today we have hit lows of 58.88. Now look, since I'm recording this video, what's it been, a minute? We're already recovering so much. So Tesla is very volatile right now, but as you can see, where are we returning at, guys? We're returning at the support that I drew out. Now, the reason this area is so highly focused on and why price is staying around this area is a couple things. Now, if you didn't watch my video on Sunday about Tesla, I talked about, before this even broke out, before we had this action here this week, I talked about what was going to happen, and we're most likely going to break out this week. And that's exactly what we did. Now, the reason why I drew this support / resistance is a couple things. I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame just so y'all can get a better look, because I always trade on the 4 hour. That's just because I swing things. So I'm going to put extended hours on so you can actually see. So on Friday, we broke above this resistance and we had a retest. On Sunday, I talked about how that was bullish and we're most likely breaking out for the week. And that's exactly what happened. We blasted through this. We retested this resistance as a new support again. And then look guys, right now what are we doing? We fell through. Now we're testing that support. And we need to get above this support. Right now, it's acting as a resistance, just like it was over here. What we need to do is we need to get above like we did this. If we get above, guys, we're heading upwards tomorrow. But if we don't, then we might get rejected and head down lower. So be careful when you're trading Tesla today because it's very volatile. We've already lost quite a lot on Tesla. So guys, number one thing with this though is being patient and playing this smart. If you want to get in now, this is a good entry. However, have that stop loss. You need to have that stop loss implemented. If not, you're going to blow your account. Now, like I said, I'm going to give it here. You can choose, whatever you want to. It's all on how you manage your risk and how much position size you are taking. If you're in a heavier position or you don't want to lose as much, have a higher stop loss. Have it to this old resistance line right here. That's perfectly fine, guys. Your stop loss is dependent on how much you want to risk and also your account size and your position. So no one knows that but you. So play accordingly. Don't play it how I do it because we're not the same. We don't have the same account size, so play it according to your account. It's perfectly fine to have a higher stop loss. I like to have an entire stop loss, but with Tesla, I'm going to have it a little wider just because my position isn't as big. But like I said, going into the session today, where we need to close is above the support. So if you're watching this video before market closes or you're watching this video right at market closes, see where we're at. Are we above the support? If we're not, don't take the trade because we're most likely getting rejected and heading back down. Now let's say tomorrow is another bright red day, okay? Where are we heading? The next level of interest is this 555 area. This would be another good dip buy on Tesla. So you can see we hit here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we already know this is a good support area. So if we break this support and get rejected, The next level you want to look at is this area right here. So going into the session tomorrow, see how we close today. If we close above support, good. Take your entry, still have that stop loss implemented, but be wary. Don't take a big position just because Tesla has aggressively sold off. We've sold off quite a lot since market open. We've actually sold off more than $50 because we did hit highs of $656 yesterday in pre-market, and I think today as well. So be careful with Tesla today. Trade with caution because we can continue to sell off. The sell off does not have to stop. Even if we sold off $50 today, we can sell off another $50 tomorrow. So when you're taking your trade on Tesla, guys, be careful with your position size. Have your stop loss, because I don't want to see y'all losing money on this. Or I don't want to see y'all losing more money than you should. Because every trade you have the risk of losing money. It just depends on you how much money you're going to lose. So guys, be very careful trading Tesla. But like I said, I'm looking at us to close above support. If we close above support, that's a good bullish sign. If we don't, guys, we're probably having another red day tomorrow. Just be careful on Tesla. And I wanted to get this video out to y'all just so you could see how I'm trading Tesla, where I think it's going, and also what you should do. Now, if you did enjoy this quick little video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I do appreciate all the support each and every one of you have been giving me lately. I will see you all in the next video.